Hey guys, the iPhone SE 4 is just around the corner, with leaks pointing to an early April launch, and trust me, this might be the biggest upgrade the SE series has ever seen. Thanks to a major leak from tech insider Majin Boo, we now have an early look at how the iPhone SE 4 stacks up against the iPhone 16. Two leaked images shared on X, formerly Twitter, reveal some exciting details and some surprises. First up, the single rear camera remains, sticking to the SE's traditional design. But here's the interesting part, the camera bump is much taller than the one on the iPhone 16. Could this mean bigger sensors, improved optics, or even better low-light performance? We'll have to wait and see. The leaks also show a thicker body compared to the iPhone 16. If Apple is making the SE 4 slightly bulkier, it could be to house a larger battery, a common complaint in previous SE models. But the biggest mystery, whether Apple will trim the bezels or introduce a notch or dynamic island. So far, these dummy units don't give us a clear answer. Now, let's talk about price and specs. If the SE 4 stays under $500, it could be a game changer. Rumors suggest it might pack the A18 chip, 8GB RAM, and Apple Intelligence, yes, AI-powered features that could push it beyond just a budget iPhone. And if Apple throws in MagSafe charging, the SE 4 would become a serious competitor in its category. With these leaks, it's clear that Apple has the chance to redefine the affordable iPhone experience. So, what do you think about the SE 4's design? Let's discuss in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.